Hey there everyone, it's Ashley, and I'm so happy that you decided to click that play button. Get ready to supercharge your study plan because I have something incredible to share with you. MandarinMania.com's hand-picked collection of resources has been completely overhauled, and it's overflowing with only the absolute best resources out there to help you learn Chinese. We've compiled a staggering 400 plus resources across 50 different categories. Yes, that's right, 50 different categories. From audiobooks to dictionaries and Chrome extensions, annotation tools and Chinese newspapers, to legit places to watch dramas, we've got you covered. We can even help you navigate the many Chinese learning YouTube channels. Say goodbye to random teachers who've abandoned their platform. Our recommendations will lead you straight to the high quality content you crave. So let's dive right in, shall we? Join me over at MandarinMania.com and let's click on the treasure trove we like to call Resources to Help You in the main menu. Now let's take a sneak peek at some of the resources available. Take a look at the blue bar across the top of the page, and let's click on the link that includes the letter Y so that we can jump to that section of the list. Here you'll find a hand-picked selection of YouTube channels that will make your learning journey a breeze. Let's click on it. YouTube is an absolute goldmine for free Chinese learning videos, but we all know how overwhelming it can be to find the real gems. That's why we've hand-selected the best channels for you, complete with descriptions to give you a taste of what they offer. We even show you their popularity with subscriber counts so you know you're in good company. Each resources page has a handy button at the top so that you can effortlessly whisk back to the main resources page whenever you desire. I'll click on it now. Here we are back on the main page. Do you see those numbers to the right of each resource? They tell you just how many goodies are waiting for you when you click the link. Let's look back at that trusty blue bar at the top of the page. You see the word jump up there? It's like a magic portal that can transport you to the different sections of the page. This time, let's click on C so we can jump straight to the resources that start with that letter. Let's check out the Chrome extensions now. We can see that there's a whopping 12 of them available. The flame icon that you see means that we've added a new resource in this category in the last month. Let's go ahead and click on it now. As you can see, we've organized everything in a clean and easy to understand format. While we're here, I want to mention that my absolute favorite Chrome extensions are Language Learning with Netflix, the Zhongwen Pop-Up Dictionary, and Copyfish, so be sure to check those out. Now let's head back to the resources main page, and drama enthusiasts, this one's for you. We're going to click on D for dramas. If we look at the bottom of the list, we can see that we have 36 legal platforms where you can enjoy your favorite dramas guilt-free. Let's click on it. Oh look, there's that blue bar again. It's like a friendly guide that keeps popping up to help you navigate our website effortlessly. You'll find them throughout our website, making your experience smooth and delightful. You can use the links in that blue bar to explore English-based platforms, Chinese-based platforms, and even a special selection of quality YouTube channels that offer Chinese dramas. Gone are the days of those sketchy, illegal sites. We've got you covered with reputable sources. Are you a word nerd like me? Do you love digging into the origins of words and how their meanings have evolved over time? Well, you're in good company because we've got a resource for etymology enthusiasts too. If you're craving some Chinese radio or seeking free audiobooks, comic books, or idiom dictionaries, well, guess what? We've got your back on that as well. We've handpicked over 50 categories for you to explore, so go ahead and get started today. Don't forget to bookmark the page so that you can revisit it again and again. Before I go, I want to tell you that we're constantly scouring the web for the freshest tools to enhance your learning experience. But if we missed one, please feel free to contact us to consider including it. With your help, we can create the biggest resources guide for Chinese learning on the planet. That's all for today, folks. I'll see you next time.